We're following breaking news. Global markets surging this morning, and Dow futures are up over 800 points after the U.S. and China reached a trade deal to roll back most of the tariffs. ABC's Christian Cordero has the details.
This morning, the escalating trade war between the U.S. and China is on ice, both sides concluding 2 days of talks in Geneva with an agreement to cut reciprocal tariffs for 90 days. President Trump had previously raised the tax imposed on Chinese imports to 145%, China retaliating with a 125% tariff, essentially halting trade between the world's two largest economies.
What had occurred with these very high tariffs, as Ambassador Greer said, was the equivalent of an embargo, and neither side wants that. We do want trade. We want more balanced trade.
Trade between the U.S. and China last year topped $660 billion. The talks this weekend were the first time both sides met face-to-face to negotiate. China last week said in order to have substantive negotiations, Trump would have to bring the 145% tariff down, which he said he would not do. The 90-day pause both sides just agreed to brings the tax on products from China into the U.S. down to roughly 30%, depending on the product and sector. Tariffs on U.S. imports to China has, for now, dropped to 10%.
That leaves us in a very good position all in with respect to measures on Chinese imports, but more importantly, leaves us in a constructive path forward to have a positive conversation with the Chinese on how to rebalance and have more constructive trade.
Christian Cordero, ABC News, Washington.